जो आज आपको सिखाएंगे ABCD। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jog. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. B for Ben. W for watch. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zebra.